Join me as I challenge myself to create a masterpiece using only the basic painting techniques I learned today. Today, we're diving into the world of painting, where you'll learn how to unleash your creativity and create beautiful artwork. Many people feel intimidated by painting, believing they lack the talent or skills needed to produce great art. The thought of creating something from scratch can be daunting, especially when we compare ourselves to others who seem to have a natural ability. But the truth is, anyone can learn to paint with practice and patience. It's not about being a prodigy, it's about enjoying the process and having fun. So, let's forget about the idea that we need to be good at it from the start, and instead, focus on learning and improving. Often, we put too much pressure on ourselves to create something perfect, and this fear of not being good enough holds us back from even trying. But painting is a journey, not a destination. It's a process of experimentation, trial and error, and learning from our mistakes. So, let's take the pressure off and remember that it's okay to make mistakes, they're an essential part of the learning process. One of the biggest misconceptions about painting is that you need to have a lot of experience or training to produce good art. But that's not true. With the right guidance and practice, anyone can create stunning pieces of art. So, don't be discouraged if you've never picked up a brush before, you're about to learn the basics, and who knows, you might just discover a new passion. As we dive deeper into the world of painting, remember that the most important thing is to have fun and enjoy the process. Don't worry too much about the outcome, focus on learning, experimenting, and creating something that brings you joy. We'll cover essential painting techniques, the importance of practice, and how to choose the right materials to help you get started. From understanding color theory to mastering different brushstrokes, we'll break it down into simple, easy-to-follow steps. Imagine having the confidence to create beautiful artwork that you can be proud of. With practice, you'll be able to experiment with different styles, techniques, and mediums, and unlock your full creative potential. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to improve your skills, these tips will give you a solid foundation to work from. And remember, the key to getting better is to keep practicing. The more you paint, the more comfortable you'll become with different techniques and materials. One of the most important things to keep in mind is that painting is a journey, and it's okay to take it one step at a time. Don't be too hard on yourself if your first attempts aren't perfect. Nobody starts out as a master. The moment you'll realize that painting is not about perfection, but about expression and enjoyment, will change your perspective forever. You'll start to see painting as a way to relax, express yourself, and tap into your creativity. As you continue on this journey, remember that it's not about creating a masterpiece, it's about the process, the learning, and the growth. You'll start to appreciate the small victories, like mastering a new technique or creating a piece that you're really proud of. And when you do finally create something that you're proud of, you'll realize that it was all worth it, the struggles, the mistakes, the frustrations. Because in the end, it's not about the final product, it's about the journey, the learning, and the joy you get from creating something with your own hands. Remember, every artist starts somewhere, and with these tips, you're well on your way to creating your own masterpieces. In this video, you'll discover a foolproof method to paint like a pro in just half an hour, perfect for beginners and seasoned artists alike. Many aspiring painters struggle with making mistakes that can ruin their artwork, leading to frustration and discouragement. From smudges to uneven brushstrokes, it's easy to feel like giving up when your painting doesn't turn out as expected. The fear of making mistakes can be overwhelming, causing many to put down their brushes and walk away from their creative pursuits. But what if I told you there's a way to overcome these obstacles and create stunning artwork, even on your first try? The truth is, most painting mistakes can be avoided with some simple strategies and techniques. By understanding the most common pitfalls and how to avoid them, you can confidently pick up a brush and start creating, knowing that your artwork will turn out amazing. And that's exactly what we're going to cover in this video. From choosing the right paints to mastering essential brush strokes, we'll go over the crucial elements that will take your painting skills to the next level. Whether you're a complete beginner or an experienced artist looking to refine your skills, this video is designed to help you unlock your full creative potential and produce breathtaking artwork. So, let's dive in and explore the world of painting like a pro. We'll explore essential painting techniques, tools, and tips that will help you avoid common pitfalls and create stunning artwork effortlessly. First, let's talk about the importance of preparation. Many painting mistakes occur because artists don't take the time to properly prepare their surface or choose the right materials. By selecting the right paints, brushes, and surface, you'll be setting yourself up for success from the very beginning. One key technique to master is layering. By building up layers of paint gradually, you can achieve depth and dimension in your artwork, creating a truly professional-looking finish. Another crucial element is blending. Understanding how to seamlessly blend colors together will make all the difference in creating a realistic and captivating piece of art. Additionally, we'll cover the importance of precision and control when it comes to brushstrokes. With a few simple exercises, you'll be able to master the perfect stroke, giving you the confidence to tackle even the most intricate designs. And, of course, we'll discuss the role of lighting in creating drama and atmosphere in your artwork. By understanding how to balance light and shadow, you'll be able to create pieces that truly come alive. The key moment comes when you learn the secret technique that guarantees success every time you pick up a brush, transforming your approach to painting. This technique is all about trusting the process and having faith in your abilities. When you combine the right tools, techniques, and mindset, you'll be amazed at what you can create in just 30 minutes. By focusing on the present moment and letting go of fear and self-doubt, you'll be able to tap into your inner artist and unleash your full creative potential. Remember, the goal isn't to create a perfect piece of art, it's to have fun, learn, and enjoy the process. And when you approach painting with this mindset, you'll be astonished at what you can achieve. This mindset shift is what separates amateur artists from the pros. It's not about talent or skill, but about attitude and perspective. When you believe in yourself and your abilities, you'll be unstoppable, creating stunning artwork that will leave others in awe. Creating a stunning summer landscape using only my fingers and a whole lot of paint. There's something truly special about finger painting, especially during the summer season. It's an activity that brings out the kid in all of us, and I just love how it combines creativity with a sense of playfulness. Whether you're a seasoned artist or a complete beginner, finger painting is an excellent way to unwind and express yourself, and I'm excited to share some of its joys with you today. One thing that often surprises people is that finger painting isn't just for kids. While it's true that children adore it, many adults underestimate the therapeutic benefits and creative possibilities it offers. In fact, traditional painting methods often focus on precision and control, leaving little room for experimentation and spontaneous expression. Finger painting, on the other hand, is all about embracing the unknown and letting your emotions guide your artistic journey. Another misconception is that finger painting is somehow less sophisticated than other art forms. But let me tell you, it requires just as much skill and technique as any other medium. From mastering the subtle nuances of pressure and texture to achieving vibrant, layered colors, finger painting is an art form that demands patience, practice, and dedication. And the best part? It's accessible to anyone, regardless of their artistic background or experience. I've always found that finger painting allows me to tap into a sense of freedom and spontaneity that's harder to achieve with traditional brushes. There's something magical about using my fingers to apply paint, watching as the colors blend and merge in unexpected ways. It's almost like dancing with paint, and the process is just as enjoyable as the end result. When it comes to capturing the essence of summer, I think finger painting is the perfect medium. We can explore bold, sunny yellows, lush greens that evoke memories of lush forests, and deep blues that echo the warmth of a summer sky. From the vibrant hues of blooming flowers to the soft pastels of a summer sunset, the possibilities are endless, and I'm excited to show you some of my favorite techniques. As I begin, I'll start with a base coat of bright yellow, applying it in thick, sweeping strokes to create a sense of energy and movement. From there, I'll build up layers of green, from the pale mint of new leaves to the deep olive of mature foliage. And of course, no summer landscape would be complete without a touch of blue, whether that's the brilliant cobalt of a summer sky or the soft cerulean of a glinting lake. As I work, I'll share some of my favorite tips and tricks for achieving vibrant, textured colors. From using salt to create subtle, mottled effects to experimenting with different tools and materials, there are so many ways to add depth and interest to your finger paintings. And don't worry if things get messy, that's all part of the fun. Okay, let's take a step back and admire the finished piece. I just love how the colors seem to pulse with life, capturing the vibrant energy of a summer day. From the delicate textures of the flowers to the bold, sweeping strokes of the sky, every element works together to evoke the sense of joy and freedom that we associate with this time of year. I hope you've enjoyed this journey into the world of finger painting, and I hope it's inspired you to give it a try for yourself. Remember, the most important thing is to have fun and let your creativity shine. Don't worry too much about the end result. With finger painting, it's all about the journey, not the destination. Thanks for joining me on this creative adventure, and I'd love to hear about your own experiences with finger painting in the comments below. If you're new here, consider subscribing for more art tutorials, creative challenges, and inspiring stories from the world of art. If you found this video helpful, check out my other tutorials, and let me know in the comments what you plan to paint next.